Yeah, what is going on? So this is how to withdraw from Uniswap step by step. So the first is to connect to Uniswap. Ensure you have a compatible wallet such as MetaMask connected to Uniswap interface. After that, you're gonna select the network. Choose a network like Ethereum, Polygon. This will determine the transaction fees and network conditions for your withdrawal. After that, you're gonna access your wallet, verify you're logged into your account and have sufficient funds to cover the withdrawal amount and any applicable network fees. After that, you're gonna navigate to the withdrawal section. On the Uniswap interface, look at the withdrawal section or tab. This may vary according to your wallet and network you're using. Specify the asset, select the asset, token or cryptocurrency you wanna withdraw. Make sure it's an ERC20 token compatible with the chosen network. Enter the withdrawal account and put the desired withdrawal account considering any network fees and minimum withdrawal limits. Review and confirm carefully. Make sure you have the right withdrawal details, including the asset amount and network fees. Confirm the withdrawal to initiate the process. Wait for the transaction to process. This may take few minutes to several hours depending on your network. Verify the withdrawal. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, you're gonna check your wallet and ensure the funds have been successfully withdrawn. Uniswap does not charge withdrawal fees, but network fees may apply. So ensure you have sufficient funds in your wallet to cover the withdrawal amount and network fees. Be cautious when withdrawing large amounts or sensitive assets. Make sure you have the correct information. So they might be lost. That's everything to know.